Hello, boys and girls, and my dear friends. Today we're making mixed berry scones, and the ingredients you would need are showing you right now. And please take a screenshot of what I'm showing right now. Well, just kidding. You'll be seeing all those ingredients throughout the entire video, so yeah, I guess no need to take screenshot. Oh well, I guess if you're stuck here with me for a few minutes, I might as well tell you the story of why I wanted to make mixed berry scones and why it's so delicious. Well, we have this wonderful coffee shop downstairs, and they offer freshly made mixed berry scones every day, and they're so tasty. And we thought they're not as sweet, and that's why we love them. And since I've been rewarding myself every Saturday morning for mixed berry scones for the past few weeks, they've started to give me smaller and smaller scones with the same taste though, so I wouldn't complain about it. But I'm not satisfied with the size of the scone, so I decided, why don't I try to make my own mixed berry scones? And as I discovered the recipe and explored all of them, I realized that they definitely put much more sugar in my mixed berry scones, so that's why they taste so good. But it's delicate though. It doesn't taste as sweet as you would have imagined how much sugar they should have put into that. Because I put 65 grams of sugar and they taste like not as sweet as the version we had downstairs. So you could have imagined how much sugar they put in and why I should explore my own bakery. Even though I'm not a good baker, I'm gonna be honest, all those recipes I tried on my channel, it's been a trial and error process, and it has always been a trial and error because I don't know, it's a mixed feeling for baking. Sometimes I still try it, but it ended up failing on me, and it ended up being a small success but a big failure with a small success. So it's a long story with me and baking. And I've heard this theory that when we were little, we would make the judgment of saying, I don't like this. I just don't like it. I tried once or twice and I failed. I'm not good at it, so I don't like it. I don't want to do it anymore. Same thing with me and baking. I'm not a good baker, so I fail all the time. And I've decided, I'm not good at this, so I don't want it to do it anymore. And the fact that you keep seeing those recipes of me baking, it means I haven't done trying. And as you noticed, once we mixed all the dry ingredients, it's time to pour your wet ingredients. And based on the recipes I'm showing on the screen, clearly my milk to dry ingredients ratio is a little bit too much. So the dough ended up being too wet. So I added flour later. If you reduce the milk to around 100 grams, 110, you should be fine.
I hear you like heat, that cut lotters. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like blessings coming my way. Wake up every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party. All these girls here indie, happy rest still indie. All I need is good energy. I don't know too many. Looking like a 3-day weekend. Hit it on me, then can't believe it. Oh, they like me now. Yeah. Go ahead, wipe me down. She
as you can see, now the dough is definitely not in a manageable way. It's all because I used frozen berries. If you use fresh berries, there shouldn't be this much of the liquid. So at this point, I basically wanted to give up because it looks just terrible. And look at the color. So I'm actually very surprised it turned out to be perfect. I don't know what magic tricks the oven did, but hats off to you. Okay, as you can see, somehow I managed to break them equally to five pieces. I don't know, five piles of scone-ish, far away from scone-ish doughs. And now I'm just doing very pathetic egg wash to trying to cover anything. At this point, I really think the scones is definitely gonna fail. Yeah. And at the same time, while you're feeling sorry for your scones in the future, preheat your oven at 400 Fahrenheit.
Heat that calories, like that she not one for drama.
And of course, don't forget to sprinkle some sugar on top, because you gotta finish strong. Be strong.
Look like art, 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 looking like blessings coming my way.
And after 25 minutes in the oven, somehow magically the scones turned out to be perfect. Look at them. The color is just golden, and it's so tasty, it's so airy. It's just perfect. And this failure/success baking story told us never ever consider giving up before you even see the final result. And you gotta finish strong, because even though you believe it will be a huge failure, the result might surprise you. It might turn out to be a great success. You gotta be resilient. Alright, I feel like we're not talking about baking mixed berry scones anymore. We're talking about life now. So we'll end it up there and try it at home. Alright friends, if you haven't done so, just smash that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, click like, and leave comments below. Thanks for watching, it's Jia here, we'll see you next Friday.
Look like art.